Hey guys, good morning. My name is Danielle and today we are going to do a full day of eating on the egg fast diet. Basically the egg fast is you're going to have minimum of 6, maximum of 10 eggs. For every egg you have a tablespoon of fat, which could be butter or mayonnaise or oil, I guess. And then you could have max, I think, 6 ounces of cheese. Make sure you're drinking water, getting your electrolytes in, all those things. But anyway, so it's a little challenge just to start up the month of July, new month, new goals, trying to just really get back into the swing of things. So I wanted to share with you this full day of eating. I am on my way to work. It is really early in the morning and I am dragging. It was one of those nights where I woke up because my daughter was crying. So I had got up to check on her at 12 and I never could fall back asleep, but I have to be up at 4, so I was like, okay, if I fall back asleep right now, I'll have this many. It was one of those and I never fell back asleep, so I need lots of coffee. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we're gonna have for like work breakfast, and then I'll check in with you throughout the day. All right guys, I will see you in a little bit. First thing this morning, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I have work. I got a total of maybe 3 hours of sleep last night, so I am dragging a little bit, but I'm just gonna have a regular cup of coffee with just some half and half, the 30 grams, and then a couple bags of the monk fruit stevia. When I get home this afternoon, I'm going to have my keto coffee. I've been really enjoying that for like an afternoon pick-me-up. But anyways, I'll show you that when it happens. So I'm going to have that, and let me show you what's for lunch. It doesn't look too exciting, but it's pretty good. So I have 3 hard-boiled eggs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just obviously peel them, put a little salt, pepper, and a little bit of mayonnaise on there, and they will fill you out for a while. And then right here I have 2 ounces of Chihuahua cheese, so I can snack on throughout the day. Guys, I'm real busy at work, so I really don't even have enough time to really eat anything anyways. And then I'm bringing this Bang. This is the Star Blast one. It's so freaking good. If you guys haven't tried these ones, they're really, really good. It has 0 carbs. So I got that, and then I got a couple bottles of water. And yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna be for lunch, and then I'll check in with you when I get home from work. Okay, so in this frying pan, guys, I just came home from work. It's 2:30, I'm starving. So in this frying pan, I have about a tablespoon of butter, and right here I have 4 eggs that I am beating, and then I'm gonna fry my eggs. I have this idea. I've seen like egg noodles, but you're supposed to bake them, but nobody got time for that when they're hungry. So we're gonna wing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry this down. It's a really thin layer, kind of like a crepe, I guess. And I'm gonna fry it so it gets, you know, cooked. And then I'm gonna slice it. And then I'm gonna take about 2 ounces of cream cheese with some parm. And I'm gonna cook it down, and I'm gonna toss it together and do like a egg noodle parmesan. So we gonna see if that works. All right, here on my little scale, I'm gonna measure out 2 ounces of cream cheese. Because we're trying to stay below 6 ounces, okay? All right, so that's 2 ounces of cream cheese. That's what it looks like. Just 2 ounces of plain old good old cream cheese, because cream cheese is so dang good. So I'm just gonna kind of drain the egg, you know, so it all gets coated. But you guys can see it's like real fluffy. And then it gets real crispy from the butter. Let's hope this doesn't break on me now. Oh, it broke. Son of a gun. I'm only an amateur chef. Son of a gun. Alright. So you guys can see it's like kind of crispy. And I'm gonna just slice it like real thin noodles once it gets real cooked all the way through. And then I'm gonna pull it off the heat, and then I'm gonna put the cream cheese in here with some Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna cook it down to like a sauce with a little bit of garlic. And that's gonna be what's for, I guess, like an early dinner. I mean, it's only 2:30, honey. But your girl is hungry. I had the 3 eggs at work today and the cheese, and that kept me full to like right now. And I had that Bang. I'm probably never gonna use that Bang at work ever again, because I just had too much energy towards the end of the day. Considering I didn't sleep at all, it's pretty intense right now. But all right. So all right, we're gonna pull this off. All right, so inside that buffalo, or in this cream cheese, I melted down. I'm gonna put a little buffalo sauce, just however much you like. You just gotta get creative. I told you guys, keto, you just gotta get creative. I'm just gonna mix it all up. On top of my eggs, I'm going to put my buffalo cream cheese mixture. Okay, so here's my meal. It was quick and easy and egg fast friendly, and your girl, like I said, is starving. So yeah, it took me less than 10 minutes, and it's yeah, I got a little kick to it, something different, egg fast friendly, all such things. And I love me some like buffalo cream cheese mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna munch on this, I'm gonna drink my water, and we will check in on our next meal. Hey friends, so I wanted to kind of catch up and chit chat with you guys. So you see me make that like really quick, like thrown together meal. I know it probably didn't look great, but guys, that was so damn good. It was so good, and it was really, really filling. So I still have a few more eggs and cheese ounces left. I'm probably just gonna make a dessert to kind of end my night. I had seen this like egg keto cheesecake in a mug thing, so I'm probably gonna do that. But I wanted to show you what I've also been really using. I had noticed yesterday on my first day that I was getting some really intense headaches, and someone had recommended me some pink Himalayan salt. I do not have any on hand, but I did have some of this LITE salt on hand, and this has a bunch of potassium in it. So I was just sprinkling that into like the bottom of my cup, you know, filling it up with some water, and then I was adding a couple of these meal like, you know, squirts in there, I guess. I don't like using that word. Yeah, so I've been using that, and that has been working out really nicely. Also, to add before bed every night, let me show you what I've been taking as well. I've been keeping it really, really simple, and I've been taking 2 potassium supplements and 2 magnesium supplements, and then I've also been taking 3 apple cider vinegar pills every night before bed. And you know, apple cider vinegar pills do the same thing as the apple cider vinegar, but they're in pill form, so I can, oh, I gotta chill, I can go ahead and tolerate them a little bit better. So I've been digging it. I've really been liking it. I really think this fast is really great, actually. And you know what, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's really put into perspective how truly lazy keto I've gotten, and I really need to bring it home. And I don't know, I feel really pumped. I feel so good. Like, I feel like I have a ton of energy, even considering I didn't sleep last night. It could be the Bang, I don't know, but honestly though, I feel really clear-minded. I feel really energized. I feel like my skin is looking really, really good right now. And yeah, like, I feel like so damn good. Like, I can just scream it to the rooftops. So I definitely think that I really need to get my shit together and bring it back home with the whole keto thing. I think I got a little slacked on it, and I need to get it together. I will say I have not worked out yet while doing the egg fast. I will work out tomorrow, but I will do like a whole update on the egg fast and how it's all working out on Friday. So look out for that video this week, and you know, kind of my tips and tricks, and you know, my results and all such things. But all right, I'm still gonna chill. I'm drinking some water right now with that potassium in it, staying super hydrated. That's very, very important. I was actually gonna have me a coffee with my Perfect Keto MCT powder in it.
So this is the one I use. I have a link for it down below. If you guys want to try it, you can. But since I did have that bang, I'm gonna go ahead and skip the coffee this afternoon. I really hate to, I love my afternoon coffee, but guys, honestly, I had 2 cups this morning for breakfast, and then I had the bang, and it's just so much caffeine. Like, I don't have like palpitations and I'm not shaky, but I just feel like it might be too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a chill on that one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and catch up on this week's episode of Big Little Lies, because I haven't seen it yet, and Rhea's cleaning her room, and then we'll have some dessert, and we'll see what's going on. But yeah, what do you guys think? Am I like convincing? Is this like keto fast or this egg fasting kind of look realistic for something you can try? People have recommended the beef and butter fast. I just feel like I can get sick out of, I would get sick of having too much meat. But with eggs, you can dress it up in so many different ways. I will tell you this, be careful with the cheeses you use. I used the feta cheese yesterday and it wasn't fatty enough, and I got really, really hungry. So definitely would use a like kind of fattier cheese. But all right, we'll talk in a minute. All right, so I know I said I was gonna do like a mug cake, but the cake I found was gonna take like 45 minutes, and I just didn't want to be bothered with that. For a day like today, quicker and easy, the quickest and easiest is best. So I made some keto pancakes. I made this recipe before. It's basically just 2 ounces, or no, yeah, 2 ounces of cream cheese to 1 egg, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and this is sugar-free Walden Farms syrup. And then I'm drinking some meal with some salt in there, that light salt for the potassium, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. So to wrap it up, I had 3 eggs at breakfast and 4 eggs at lunch, so that's 7. And then right now with these 2 more, that's 8, 9. And then I had 6 ounces of cheese, and that's a full day of eating on the keto egg fast. So this is wrapping up day 2 for me. Like I said, lots of water, and I'm including that light salt and those vitamins I showed you, and that's a wrap, homie. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish up this meal, and then I'm gonna go and take a shower and just relax. Like I said, this has been a long day, and I got a headache now, so I'm drinking that water just because I don't know if it's the electrolytes or the fact that I'm really working on no sleep. But yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have tried the egg fast, let me know what your staple recipes have been. And thank you so much for being here, because, you know, we real friends around here. So, all right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.